Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete WeChat moment post. To delete your moment posts on WeChat, you just need to go onto your WeChat and log into your account. And here, after logging into your account, just go onto Discover, and from here go on to Moments. Now this will show you all the moment posts that you have posted on your WeChat account. Here you can see I have posted this right here, and just below the image beside the time you can see an option for trash bin. If you just click on the trash bin, it can show you this kind of screen where now you can just delete this moment post. If you click on delete, the moment post will be deleted from your WeChat account. And that's how easy it is to delete your WeChat moment post. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.